Hello, everyone. So, one of the main advices and initial thoughts that always I share with labs or production suites that they need to keep their house in order. And I can even go a step further and would say it should be aesthetically pleasing, because imagine if you are an inspector and you are going into a production area or a lab and you find the house disorganized. Immediately the inspector starts to lose confidence in the compliance of this place. So that's an easy, attainable goal if you are expecting or not, even on your regular daily operation. You should strive to keep your area organized and clean.